Visionary Fiber Technologies was formed in May of 2018. It was really built around a portfolio of patents that were established long before VFT was formed. When I got introduced to this technology, there was really only one vertical. The epiphany is that I realized that vertical was nothing but a tiny fraction of the real pie. And at that point, no one was thinking about the other 900 or 1,000 different places that this technology can create untold amounts of value.
So many opportunities in so many fields, in the medical field to making emulsified drug delivery, in the fuel industry for cleaning raw materials that we want to go through refinement, from food industry where we want to remove contaminants but we don't want to have large energy inputs or large footprints.
One of the main differentiators of our technology is the fact that it is a continuous process. You don't have downtime. You also can have high control of your inputs. That means you have a reduction in the chemical consumption. There's a simplicity and an elegance to our system that is just not found anywhere else.
The value proposition changes depending on the application, simply put. The value may be derived from cost savings and from revenue enhancement.
One particularly unique aspect of the fiber reactor is the fact that it really essentially doesn't have any moving components. It doesn't require any additional equipment that will consume energy and need maintenance periodically for in-plant shutdowns to fix a rotating piece of equipment.
A recovery device that will accomplish in a small footprint and with very low energy what normally is done in large vessels with a lot of horsepower and agitators in order of magnitude, if not 2 orders of magnitude, less time than that classical process would have, and at an energy input that's at least as low as the time. And it produces results that are unusually efficient.
Everything, when you're dealing with chemistry, it's a hard science. The marriage of a hard science with a technology is really unique, but it also creates challenges. Now that we have been successful in marrying those together and the verticals that we've already penetrated, we really now have a foundational understanding of how to do it and how to do it better.
We have had commercial installations. We've taken it all the way from the benchtop to the plant scale, and we believe that this can be integrated in a variety of different fields.
When you start to think about what those mean for society and humanity and the future of our world, it's really easy to get excited about the potential that our company could have to do good.